So this is our new male from Rosa and Attila. No joke, these are just running to 6 weeks old. Very, very proud of this litter. Beautiful markings, beautiful size, beautiful length of tail. Cabella. I really look forward to blogging the progress of this pup. I have high expectations from you. Huh? Young chap. Come on, son. That's my boy. That's my boy. Come to daddy. 6 weeks old. The movement is sensational. Come on. Come on. Good lad. Come on, son. Come on, son. Come on. Mwah. Mwah. Good boy. Here. What we want to see is his head into water to bring something out. Good boy. Here. Good lad. Good boy. Easy peasy. Here. Out. Here. Good boy. Bravo. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Out. Perfect. Break. Good lad. Good boy. Here. Out. Good lad. Bravo. What's this? What's this? Good boy. Blink. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. I'm done. I'm fucking done.
You may wonder why I'm so excited about this particular task. This is a pair of glasses that he has to pick up from under the water. But not only just pick it up from under the water, he has to pick it up delicately enough not to smash the actual glasses themselves. With no hesitation. Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable.
Young Adonis, will he pick up a rock from that pool? Yeah? Good boy. What's this? What's this? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Whoa! Here, boy! Adonis, out! Here! This is a heavy, heavy rock. Yeah? You gonna pick this up? Break. Oh my God, Adonis. You're incredible. Here, boy. House. This could be a little mobile phone that's fallen into water. Would you stick your nose in and get it? Good boy. What's this? Break.
The working side of the Chinese red dog is absolutely my focus. I mean, some of the stuff that this new stud dog is doing is quite remarkable.
Good boy. What's this? Get these keys. Get these keys. Get the keys for me. Oh my God! Oh my God!
What most of you don't realize is 70 to 80% of dogs would not even pick up articles like this. You know, they wouldn't even pick it up, let alone an article like this put into water. If you doubt what I'm saying, try it with your own dogs. It's quite remarkable. Really quite remarkable. Adonis, welcome to the breeding program.
Oh my God! You are a legend!
Fantastic food. You can see the truth from the peas, the carrots, the raspberries, the strawberries, the free-range eggs. Simply delicious. We are the only company that can brag that we know exactly where the protein sources came from. The reason for that is we are the owners of Stanhope Farm. We produce our own protein sources.
Look at these. How authentic is this?
Organic lamb and mutton, free range, happy, healthy. Working closely with fantastic vegetable and fruit farmers in Kent. With over 25 years dedicated to canine husbandry, I am proud, I am delighted to present Uncle Benji's Raw with the highest ingredient profiles in this country. Highly delicious, highly digestible, full of nutrition. We offer a money-back guarantee. Order today at poochdvd.com.